Yes, student, today we're going to solve a problem based on geometry. The problem is the side AB of a parallelogram ABCD. ABCD. This is a parallelogram. The side AB means this side is produced to point P. A line through A means through a line parallel to CP means these two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel. Meet CB product. A line through A meet CB when CB is produced to Q. When CB is produced to Q. These two lines are parallel and the point Q meet CB when it is produced. And then parallelogram PBQR. PBQR. This is a parallelogram is completed. So it is given this is a parallelogram and this is a parallelogram. These two things are given. And these two lines are parallel. We have to prove, we have to show that these two parallelograms, they have the equal areas. This we have to prove. So how we are going to prove it? So let us see. What we have to prove? We have to prove area of ABCD is equal to area of PBQR. So we are going to apply the concept of figures on the same base and between the same parallel are equal in area. So over here it is given that these two lines are parallel, but out of these two lines, if we take this as a base, then no figure we are finding which are between these two parallel line. Also, if we take this as a base, again no figure we can observe which lie on this and between these two parallel lines. So it means some construction is required. So what we are going to do, taking these two, join AC, or this way you can learn in the above parallelogram join the diagonal and in the below join the diagonal. So in this parallelogram join AC, in this parallelogram join QP. So now we are observing this figure. So what construction we have done? Join AC and QP. Now see this line, out of these two parallel lines, see this line, either this or this one. So I am taking this in. If we take AQ as a base, then we are observing the triangle AQC. This is the triangle, and another triangle APQ. This is the triangle. Both the triangles are on the same base AQ, and between these two parallel lines, these two triangles are touching the parallel line CP, the other part of the parallel line CP. So we can say the area of these two parallelogram are equal. So considering this we can prove. So let us start proof. Since triangles on the same base, this is the theorem, triangles on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area, therefore triangle A, therefore area of triangle AQC, this triangle is equal to area of triangle APQ. So on the basis of this we can say since AQ is parallel to CP. Now taking this only, AQC, this is formed by combining these two triangles. We can easily observe it is a combination of these two triangles. When we combine these two triangles, we get the triangle ACQ. The same way APQ. So it means what we are observing, triangle ABQ is common in both of them. So if we remove triangle ABQ from both of them, we get these two triangles. We get the area of these two triangles as equal. So first thing what we have to do, we have to subtract this triangle from both of them. So let us first split it. Triangle AQC can be written as area of ABQ plus area of ABC. equal to, again next triangle we are splitting, area of ABQ plus area of BQP. So on the both side we are observing area of ABQ. Let us cancel. What we get, area of ABC is equal to area of BQP. Area of ABC. Now we can say area of ABC. This triangle is half of the parallelogram, and this triangle is half of this parallelogram, because we know that diagonals divide a parallelogram into two triangles having equal area. So this we can write as half of, since area word is going on, so we are going to use the word area, half of area of parallelogram A B C D, and this half of area of parallelogram P B Q R. What the reason we're going to write? Since diagonal divides a parallelogram into two triangles having equal areas. So half and half will be cancelled. So this will give area of parallelogram ABCD. No need to write the symbol of parallelogram. We can write completely the name of the quadrilateral or the parallelogram PBQ. So this is the condition that we have to prove. This was the condition that we have to prove. Area of ABCD equal to area of PBQR. Thank you.